So this is how you change the oil on a KTM 500 EXC. You can't see it, but there is a hole in the crankcase.
If you go to the other side, you can see the stream of oil
That Andy managed to put into his bike. I might be able to get you a good angle on it. I think you can see it. Well, just trust me, there's a hole in the crankcase. The oil's flowing out. And if you look over here, Big Red Pig standing magnificently, unscathed. Right there she is.
fertilize the oil.
The hole in the crankcase.
Fertilize the grass.